How to create Snapchat stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will simply show you how you can create Snapchat stories. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create Snapchat stories or to add to your private or public story, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open Snapchat first. Once you open Snapchat, tap on the Bitmoji profile from the top left and then you will see this kind of option over here. Now once you see this, what you have to do is just under the My Stories tab, you'll find the option called Add to My Story. Just tap on it. Now just select a photo or video, whatever else it is that you want to add, and once you do so, just choose the next option, or you can just select My Story. Now you can see right over here your story has been added successfully. If you want, you can also add a private story by selecting the option called New Story, choosing the option called Private Story, adding only a few friends to this story and then deleting it in that way. But if now you want to delete that story, you can just tap on it and then just tap on the three dots, choose the option called Delete, and then delete that story respectively. And this is how you can create and delete Snapchat stories. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.